Welcome to the jars, and we'll show you loads of stuff in this upcoming video. From stuff like the plants to mini organisms living, and even the history of these jars. First, we are going to come around to you and pick one of these jars. We decided to pick one of these jars because these won't be able to get that much light, and the rest of them up there don't look like as good as this one. So we're going to get this one. Now we're going to get this jug so then we can scoop up the water and tip it into the jar. Now we're going to a lake, collect everything like this, like all the plants, like some plants with water and some water and some dirt.
Yeah.
And definitely some sticks.
Okay.
In case there's any little people that need a stick, sounds like it's mine. Now that we've got all the samples, we can go back home and see how much life we can start to see, because this is gonna be interesting, especially because we also got some plants in there. Can you see any? Can you see the plants? So here we have 1 week apart from each other jars of the same exact place. This is the newest one that we just did, and this one's the week older one. They're both on the light, so you should be able to see lots of things. But I think I see different ones in both of them, because if you look, some of them look very different. We did take them both from the exact same part of the lake, but that's on 2 parts of the lake, the same as that one, but also a different one. Look at the 2 differences of them that you see. This one already has little plants. This one doesn't really have any plants yet, except that, which we literally just put it in. You can see we probably got healthy samples of both of them. If you look closely enough, you'll see lots of life in this one and lots of life in this one. Now this is a big experiment we made during just 1 week of time. I think some of them are feasting. Look at them! Oh my days! But like here, it's like not many. There's only like a plant. I see some stuff, but not too many. Wait, oh my days! Look at all these! So what we have here are 2 jars that we made just a couple of weeks ago. This one and this one. This one's 1 week younger than this one. And also, you might think that there's basically no life in there except some plants and maybe a beetle or something. Well, now let me tell you what eventually happened to it. So, what happened was that we collected this one before we even got this. So we collected this at the shop, and then that one was clear as soon as we got it. Well, a bit dirty, but super clear. we started seeing all these little life organisms in there, and then bam, it went pitch black. And then we went to get this one over here. We got some more. Just again, that came pitch black, but then that one was just chilling. And now over time, this one's starting to get more clear again. We believe that that will eventually turn into that one. Let's look at this jar again. You might wonder, why do they both have sticks? Well, the sticks are for the beetles to climb to get into air, because that's why the jar needs oxygen. This one had water from one place and water from another place, but in the same pond. So, yeah, this one only got it from one place though, which was the same place as the first place that we got this water from. But anyways, different life organisms can probably cook, just like we saw loads of worms before, didn't we? But now we don't see any, so that means there probably might be more later on. But yeah, over time this will change and stuff, so we're gonna make sure that we keep these alive, and we will eventually set them back into the pond, but then we'll get some different ones of those into a jars, so we can keep experimenting and see if it's only that kind of cycle where it goes life, lifeless, life again. So far that is though. Thanks for watching, so see you later.